Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create compelling meta descriptions that can help boost your search engine visibility. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, let's find the tool by searching for Ahrefs Meta Description Generator in Google. Go ahead and look for the official page in the search results. Once you're on the page, you'll see a text field where you can describe your page topic. For example, you might enter something like, why you need an interactive demo platform to improve sales velocity. The tool gives you flexibility here. Just select how many different meta description variations you'd like to create. Hit the Generate button, and within seconds, you'll have SEO-optimized meta descriptions ready to use for your page. See one you like? Simply click the Copy button to save it to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need it. If you want to save all your options for later, there's an Export Results button that downloads all the variations as a text file. One more useful feature: you can customize the tone of your meta descriptions to match your brand voice, whether that's professional, casual, or something in between. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to generate effective meta descriptions quickly and easily. Feel free to go through this walkthrough again anytime.